So let's right click and say format background instead of a white background. So I have already shared these options, format tab options, with you in the previous videos. So the functionality of it remains the same. So if we have a shape, say if I'm using a shape here, so all these format options will be related to the shape over here. I can change the color of it or whatsoever I want to do. If it's not a shape and if it's a line, say, so all the format options that we have over here will be related to this line. Or if it's a text box, then for text box we know all the format options that we have first will be related to the text box shape and the second will be related to the text itself. But what if we want to do some changes to the slide background? So let's right click, format background, and here we have the options related to the background. First it says solid fill. I can go ahead and change the color as per my requirement. I can also add gradient. It is similar to what I have explained in the previous videos. The functionality of this is similar to that. Picture or texture fill, again similar. Pattern fill is also similar.